What's up, shooters? Today, I've lined up 6 pistols that earn a spot on my belt or in my safe. Practical guns you can carry, defend your home with, or run all day at the range. For each model, I'm going to cover how it handles, what the recoil actually feels like, how the ergonomics work for different hand sizes, and the single real-world reason I'd pick it over the others. I'll talk magazine options, optics readiness, and any quirks that'll show up when you start putting rounds through the trigger. Expect hands-on details, draw, press, follow-up shots, and how the gun behaves when things aren't perfect. Each segment will be long enough to give you a real sense of the pistol. Not just specs, but how it shoots and how it lives on your hip or at your bedside. Number 6. Staccato P45. If you want a pistol that feels like a purpose-built fighting tool the moment you pick it up, start here. The Staccato P45 is a big, fast-handling .45 ACP gun built around the 2011 lineage. But don't think old-school 1911. This one modernizes everything you actually care about. In my hands, it balances low and short, so the recoil impulse comes back quick instead of thudding into your wrist. That makes accurate follow-up shots easier when you're running drills under stress. The controls are positive, the trigger is crisp, and it ships without a grip safety, so there's less to fight with when you're fumbling in the dark. The manual safety is deliberate and easy to actuate, and the ergonomics swallow a big hand without feeling blocky for smaller shooters. It accepts Glock magazines, which is huge. Versatility in magazines means you can keep spares across multiple platforms without cluttering your gear bag. The slide rate is fast, you'll notice it when transitioning targets, and the sight picture is set up for quick acquisition with a red dot or tall iron sights. Staccato's optic mounting keeps the dot back far enough that you don't obstruct ejection, and the included sight block reduces recoil rise without the full noise penalty of a compensator. A practical choice for a house gun. If you want a serious bedside or duty pistol and money isn't the only constraint, this is a top-tier option. It's expensive compared to budget 9mm options, but you get a durable platform that's been tuned for reliability and performance right out of the box. In short, heavy hitter that shoots like it's meant to win, not just look good on a table. Number 5. Tisas PX9 Duty. If you want ridiculous value that actually performs, this is the pick that surprises most folks at the range. The Tisas PX9 Duty shows up like a budget bargain but shoots with confidence. Think a Turkish-built striker-fired platform that borrows good ergonomics and practical features without the price tag. In my hands, it feels a hair like a polymer VP-style grip. Comfortable, repeatable, and easy to get solid purchase on for fast follow-ups. For roughly $289 new, you get an optics-ready slide, a threaded barrel on many packages, removable back straps, and a trigger that's better than you'd expect for the money. It's heavy enough, about 28 ounces unloaded, to tame recoil for 9mm, so you've got manageable muzzle flip even when you're shooting quickly. That weight gives it Glock-sized feel for follow-up shots, but you're not paying Glock prices. Out of the box, mine came with decent sights and an optic plate, so mounting a small red dot is straightforward. The grip has interchangeable panels that let you tune hand fit, and the trigger breaks cleanly once you learn the reset. Reliability-wise, after several hundred rounds, I haven't had trouble cycling different loads. If you're on a budget and still want a serviceable range and carry gun, this one punches above its price class. Who should buy it? The shooter who wants capability without the buyer's remorse. Carry it, train with it, and don't be scared to run budget ammo through it. It's not the glossy boutique striker-fired everyone salivates over, but it's the gun I'd recommend to a friend who wants real performance for a realistic price. Number 4. Springfield Hellcat Pro. If you want something that disappears under a shirt but still shoots like a duty gun, the Hellcat Pro is the sweet spot for everyday carry. It's a compact, optics-ready 9mm designed around concealment, without robbing you of capacity or controllability. In the hand, it's slim enough to hide, but the longer grip and slightly extended slide give you better sight radius and follow-up control than a single-stack micro. Springfield Armory nailed the balance of size and shootability. The grip texture bites just enough to keep the gun planted during fast strings, but it doesn't shred your support hand in long practice sessions. The Pro model gives you that extra real-world reach, longer sight radius, a full-sized grip feel with compact dimensions, which translates to easier hits when the adrenaline kicks in. It's optics first, so putting a small red dot on it is straightforward, and it co-writes well with most aftermarket plates. The recoil impulse is friendly for a compact 9mm thanks to the geometry and spring tuning, so you get quicker follow-up shots than you'd expect from such a concealable package. Mag options are solid. Extended mags give you real capacity for the day you need it, but it still tucks well with flush mags for deep concealment. Holster-wise, you'll want a good AIWB or compact OWB that keeps muzzle down and retention tight. This one loves a minimalist tuckable holster. Who should buy it? Anybody who wants a true carry gun that doesn't feel like a compromise at the range. If you need deep concealment, but don't want to give up workable sight radius, the Hellcat Pro is a practical, modern answer. Number 3. Smith & Wesson Shield X. This one's a slick little hybrid, small enough to carry all day, roomy enough to shoot well. The Shield X keeps the single-stack footprint, but adds options, slightly fuller grip, higher capacity mags, and slide cuts that make it friendlier to optics. In the hand, it's predictable. The reset is short, the trigger is clean, and the ergonomics suit a wide range of shooters from small hands to larger grips with the optional back straps. It's a carry-first design that doesn't feel compromised when you run it hard. You get good controllability for a compact 9mm, and the flatter recoil impulse means faster follow-ups when you're stringing shots. The texturing is aggressive enough to lock your hand in place without chewing you up during a long-range session. And the trigger reach is reasonable for folks who don't want extra training to find the face of the trigger. The Shield X is optic-ready, and holster support is broad now, so you can go AIWB or a tuckable OWB without rethinking your kit. Magazine options give you flush concealment or an extended thumb purchase for duty-style use. If you want a discreet carry gun that still puts rounds exactly where you aim, this is a top contender. Number 2. Glock 19 Gen 5 with COA optic. The Glock 19 is the no-nonsense workhorse for a reason. It hides well, it's light, it's stupidly reliable, and the Gen 5 updates only sharpen that edge. Toss on the COA optic, and you've basically turned a familiar platform into a modern duty pistol with minimal fuss. The window on that optic is big, the sight picture is uncomplicated, and the mounting is rock solid. Versatility. You can run this as a carry gun, a range gun, or a duty piece. The recoil is predictable, the follow-ups are quick, and the aftermarket support is massive. Holsters, mags, sights, parts, everything you need is already available. That ecosystem matters in real life. Being able to pick any holster or any mag you already own saves time and costs. The Gen 5 ergonomics feel a touch more refined. The trigger is consistent, and the COA optic really helps with fast target acquisition at close to mid-ranges. If you want a reliable, do-everything 9mm that won't surprise you on a bad day, this is the one to beat. Who should buy it? The shooter who wants proven reliability and maximum aftermarket options with minimal learning curve. Number 1. SIG P320 X-Compact. This is my pick for the best overall blend of shootability, modularity, and everyday practicality. The P320 X-Compact gives you a compact package with a full-sized grip feel and a chassis system that lets you change calibers or frame sizes down the road. In use, it's balanced, the recoil impulse is friendly, and the trigger on the X series is crisp enough to make accurate follow-ups feel natural. Why it tops the list? Modularity plus consistency. The fire control chassis means you can swap grip modules and carry profiles without buying a whole new pistol. the X-Compact fits a wide range of holsters, mounts optics easily, and strikes a great compromise between concealability and shooting comfort. For me, that flexibility wins in day-to-day life. Tune your holster for the X-Compact's footprint. It carries flatter than some compacts and prints less when you tuck. Train with the grip you plan to carry. The P320 rewards consistent hand placement. Also, consider putting a quality red dot on it. It really unlocks the platform for fast, confident hits. Who should buy it? The person who wants one reliable, adaptable pistol that can evolve with their needs. Carry, competition, or a home defense rig. That's the rundown. 6 solid pistols built for real shooters. No hype, no gimmicks, just gear that works. Whatever you carry, train with purpose and stay confident behind the trigger. Appreciate you all for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, and drop a comment down below. Stay sharp.